Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of Microsoft, exploring some of its top features, advanced technologies, and what's new in the tech giant's realm. So, let's get started. Microsoft is a powerhouse in the tech industry, and their products and services are used by millions of people worldwide. One of the most popular features of Microsoft is their suite of productivity applications known as Microsoft 365. This suite includes Office, Outlook, Teams, and more, providing users with a comprehensive set of tools to work, communicate, and collaborate. Another top feature of Microsoft is their cloud computing platform, Azure. Azure is a powerful platform that allows users to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through the cloud. It offers a wide range of services, including compute, storage, networking, and more, making it a versatile and popular choice for developers and businesses alike. Microsoft's Edge web browser is another top feature that sets it apart from other browsers. Edge is known for its fast performance, built-in privacy features, and its integration with other Microsoft products. It's also a great choice for users who want a modern, clean interface and a smooth browsing experience. Microsoft's Windows operating system is another top feature that has been a staple in the tech world for decades. Windows is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive customization options, and its ability to run a wide range of applications. It's also a popular choice for businesses and organizations thanks to its robust security features and enterprise-level support. Now, let's talk about what's new in the world of Microsoft. Microsoft has been making strides in the field of artificial intelligence with their virtual assistant, Cortana, and their chatbot, Xiaois. They've also been pushing the boundaries of mixed reality with their HoloLens headset, which allows users to interact with digital content in the real world. Microsoft has also been making waves in the gaming industry with their Xbox console and their acquisition of the game studio, Mohan. They've also been expanding their gaming platform, Xbox Game Pass, which offers a subscription-based service for access to a vast library of games. So there you have it, folks. A brief overview of some of the top features and what's new in the world of Microsoft. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and insights. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.